I'm Kristy. I'm co-founder, co-owner of Skin Habit, San Diego, California.
I'm Shailene Lozano. I am a managing partner for our North Park location.
I've been an esthetician since 2001. I saw a gap in aesthetic. I didn't really feel like there was anything accessible. It's accessible in price, location, vibe, and so I built it. When you walk in, you really feel like you're home, like a best friend society.
Healthy skin is what makes you feel beautiful, what makes you feel comfortable looking at yourself in the morning, and that's our goal. Products that we believe in, products that we use, and brands that we love, and not just selling them something. That integrity to have accessible skincare is important.
We switched to Boulevard because we felt like the other platforms we were using in the past were just not really meeting all of our needs. Boulevard really just met every single need we wanted. It's easy for the client to use and it's interactive. The reporting system was a big focus for us. We were having to do secondary reporting, which obviously is very costly and then is not always accurate. With the platform being your POS, your booking system, and where your staff is monitored, you can really see what is happening in your business at any time.
Boulevard is client focused, so it really aligned with what we're doing here and just made everything so much easier.
We'll use the marketing for small promotions to clients maybe we haven't seen in a while. That's automatic, which is great. Shop codes or anything like that is really helpful. Any other platform might never have that option and you would have to manually adjust the discount. I see Skin Habit's future as continuing to evolve in the community, have more locations, which Boulevard actually makes it really easy for us to do that.
Every day is exciting here. We really want our staff to come to work and to feel good about what they're doing, to feel included in this process, in our growth.
Just continuing to be a staple in the community, in the skincare industry.